Welcome to the video. The gang is all here. That's what came. And we will look at that in a moment. Let's just finish. Well, it turns out that I don't have patience for this. This is on a thin string woven through there. That'll go in the craft bag. And then this, I don't have patience to hook the earring back on. I think it can be done easily. Craft bag. All right, some opal essence, opalite, $11 for both. They would stack beautifully. $11 for both. Together, they will go together. And then $9 for this blue stone, nice and long. Necklace, red tassel. You can probably take the tassel off if you didn't want it. And $9 for the amethyst one. It is gorgeous, nice and long. So let's see what we got. He needed a signature. Most of the time I don't have to. They just leave it and run. I think he's new. I've never seen him before. Working the Sunday shift, didn't he? I have no idea. Oh, it's the sterling. Oh my God. Wait a minute. How fast was this? I'm confused. I need to go back and look because I literally just paid for this morning. Maybe not. No. Oh, no, I didn't. I remember. That's right. Yeah. I'm gonna have, yeah, it's gorgeous. I know. But I got another lot last night, and I bought something I liked and got in a bidding war. You know what I mean? So, I'm gonna have to look at these. We're just looking. Oh, that's pretty. I'll have to look that up and see if it's sterling and all. Oh my God. Let's look at some beautiful pieces. How about that? Wow. I'm going to have to, research some of these because things are going for quite a bit now. And I'm going to try to keep all the rings for starters. Pretty. But I need to be like writing down, otherwise I probably need to quit doing it if it's not worth it. These are having initials on them. These are beads. Who is this? Thailand. $925 China. Probably might be a diamond. Who is that? Have to look it all, start looking it up. But most of this will be for sale. This is gorgeous. GSJ 925 pearls. Have to be careful of these staples again. I got a trash right there. I mean, this is for sale. If you want to look it up and shoot me an offer, you can. It's definitely for sale. This one. This is strange. Can't get it to turn over. I'm gonna have to undo it. Wow, this is. Does it say sterling? An M with a square around it. Have to look that one up. This is Italian. It has like a goldish. Yeah. You wear it well, Bianca. One day I may go through the rings and sell, but earrings will be, and pendants will be for sale. This is turquoise. I just need to look up just get a better feel, because I really don't have a feel for sterling and stones. That is so cool. Wow, that is so cool. I mean, if you're an artist, you're going to have something like that. That's got, oh gosh. Yeah. Amber. Amber. Goodness gracious. I was so confused because we just got some last night and I paid today. We already looked at this one. This. Wow. garnets. Garnets. Dadgum. This is unusual. Know what that is. Cute. Oh, that's cute. This is landscape jasper and sterling. Gorgeous. Big cross. What does that say? It says sterling. I feel like it's older if it actually says sterling, but who knows? That one. That looks Mexico. Where's the mark? Yep, that's old. Silver. I think when they said silver, that was even before sterling. Wow. That. So right now, taking offers on Honora. $925 on the back of that. So it's studs, I believe. Studs. Honora Freshwater Collection. Get my bestie on this. We'll always be below the price on line. We're always below that. Because it's no fun to, I mean, you can find anything you want on Etsy if you want to pay for it. Mexico, sun. Is that a ring or a pendant? That's a ring, I guess. This one, imagine. Let me see. Oh, it's the shoe is sterling. The chain is gorgeous. $18 for the shoe and the chain. It's a long chain. Goes down to almost 10 inches. That'll be $18. The shoe is also marked. Oh, wow. These are scarabs, I believe. It's old. It says sterling. With the safety chain, tiger eye, a green one. black one, amethyst. $38 for this one. Imagine that. I don't know where it came from. I want to say Egypt, but speaking of, and the Ankh, the symbol of everlasting life, 925 pendant, heavy 1616. Hi, honey. I love a simple sterling band, a little too small. Red Cross. Let me see if that is some howlite, I believe. Yeah, the cross is marked on the bottom. 925, I believe. Hard to see. And this will be $24. This one has a very thick 925 chain. I'm calling it a rope chain. It is almost 10 inches. So we got those on. Oh my God, I'm like, what is this? And then, what is it? It's a pendant. I'll have to check for diamonds and all. A crab. Pretty heavy, nice crab, $18, 1/8. We opened them all except this one. I may have to stop getting sterling, so get it while you can, because it's something I'm trying, but because I like to keep some of it, it's not bringing me any profit. I'm just breaking even. Last time I broke even and had a little to keep, and that's okay. That's really good, but I mean, that's not why I'm doing this. I can't do it like that. This is thick and heavy. I'll have to weigh that. Might have a different maker's mark on there. It's Mexico, but it says something 133. That is heavy. A belt. Rings, earrings. Lauren. Lapis. We'll sell most of this. I just want to, get my bearings, write it down, and keep track and all that. There's a nice thick chain. There's a beautiful piece. This is chunky. Alrighty, thank y'all. Have a wonderful Sunday. God bless.